Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are enjoying our science videos. So our today's topic is microscope. What is a microscope? A microscope is an instrument used to see the objects that are too small to be seen through naked eye. Too small object means the cell, the tissues, the germs, bacteria, virus, which you cannot see through your naked eye. But if you have a microscope, you can see the bacteria, you can see the germs, you can see the internal structure of leaf, you can see the internal structure of flower as well. So student, this is very amazing invention of science. In today's video, we will learn about the light microscope. Light microscope is the common type of microscope. So the definition of light microscope is that it is a type of microscope which uses ordinary light to magnify object. Magnify means to zoom the things, to zoom the object, to make the object bigger. It is similarly as you zoom your picture in your mobile. Similarly, microscope zoom the object's image in microscope. Moreover, light microscope contains two lenses. The one is eyepiece lens and the other is objective lens. Now, to get the total magnification power, means the total zooming power, the power of a microscope to make the image bigger, we can calculate it. To calculate that, we have to multiply two things: the magnification power of both lenses. Number one, magnification power of objective lens multiplied by magnification power of eyepiece. Students, both of these power are printed over these lens, means the magnification power of objective lens will be written over objective lens and the magnification power of eyepiece lens will be printed over eyepiece lens. You just have to multiply both of these power, so you will get the total magnification power of a microscope. In this slide, an example is given. The magnification power of objective lens, let's suppose, is 40x and the magnification power of eyepiece is 10x. By multiplying 40 and 10, we will get 400x. It means the microscope having these power will show 400 times bigger image than the actual object. Got it? So now moving towards the parts of the microscope. So this slide shows the parts of the microscope. On the left side we have ocular, which is the another name of eyepiece, revolving nose piece. Revolving means you can rotate it. Objective lens, stage clip, condenser, light source. On the top, body tube is there. On the right side we have arm, coarse focus, fine focus and base. Now we will see the functions of all these parts in detail. So first of all, we have eyepiece, which is also shown in this picture. The eyepiece is the lens at the top of the microscope through which we look into the microscope. We look our specimen, whatever we have kept on the slide in a microscope, and the power of the eyepiece could be 10x or 15x. Next we have the body tube. It is also highlighted in the diagram. So the body tube is a long tube that holds the eyepiece and connects the objective lens. It means the body tube is a tube in which we keep our eyepiece lens. Moreover, it is a connection between eyepiece lens and the objective lens. Next we have microscopic arm, which is also encircled in the diagram. This is a part we hold the microscope when transporting from here and there. Simply it is a part by which we carry the microscope. The next is the nose piece, which is a revolving nose piece, rotating nose piece. We can rotate it to change the objective lens. This is a disc which contains the objective lenses. Next we have the most important part of microscope, which is the objective lens. So the objective lenses combine with the eyepiece lens to increase the magnification level. This is the same thing which I have told you earlier, that to find out the magnification power of microscope, we will multiply the magnification power of objective lens and the magnification power of eyepiece lens. So microscopes generally feature three objective lens ranging 10x, 40x and 100x. Students, you can see in the diagram 40x and 100x are clearly visible and the third one is 10x. Next we have stage shown in the picture, and you can also see two stage clips over the stage. The clips are used to hold the slide, and the stage is that flat surface on which the specimen is placed for examining. Next we have microscopic illuminator. This is the microscope light source located at the base of the microscope. Then we have condenser. Condensers just condense the light towards the object. It is a lens that is used to collect and focus light towards the object. So the object's image could be seen sharply. Next we have diaphragm. It is a disc-shaped device located beneath the stage, and its role is to control the amount of light passing through the specimen. It will control the adequate amount of light. Then last we have coarse focus and fine focus. Coarse focus is a bigger rotating knob which is also shown in the diagram. It moves the stage up and down for focusing. Focusing means it increases the size of the object, while the fine focus moves stage little bit to sharpen the image. It means the bigger image will be seen more fine and more clear by fine focus. In size, fine focus is smaller while the coarse focus is bigger. So this was all about the functioning of the parts of the microscope. I hope you all have got it. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Allah Hafiz.